We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Visitor Security Services. I have the long one. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Galan 0. Shoot Ratsama. Ria kai.
Shutera tsama rata liki ko ileng ko tera ituri ko ka le address ra itse.
Akitsibi I go kai.
Address ra itseba.
Yeah.
Address ra itseba.
Go kai.
Ra itseba ga fola ra itseba address.
Yeah.
So more tapping to lezo as bilongo go.
Yes.
Bring back. We'll go ourselves, we'll fetch it.
Yeah.
We just I'll say today we have started.
Yeah.
We played, but today we have started.
Yeah.
We showed character today.
No, I could see.
Yeah, it showed. It is the Sundowns that I know today, that I saw.
Yeah.
Not so many mistakes like this past weekend.
Yeah.
But the boys played. 3 points at home is very good.
Yes.
Man. There's no way as Mamelodi Sundowns we must always undermine ourselves.
Yes.
We are counted amongst the best.
Yes.
We are not the best in South Africa, we're the best in Africa.
Oh.
Yeah, so if you're gonna class us, don't class us with the PSL teams.
Oh, you must. Yeah.
Yeah, our class is there.
Yeah.
Al Ahly, Esperance, Zamalek,
Chelsea,
Zamalek, ASFA.
City.
You understand? Porto, Chelsea, Man City, Barcelona. It's the Club World Cup. Yeah, that's where you must count us.
Yes.
In Africa, we are number one. You know that.
Yeah.
So.
And they didn't vote for you to be number one. You went for it.
We worked for it.
Yeah.
No, it was never given on a silver platter. We went.
Yes.
We were maybe number 100 and something years back.
Yeah.
But Mr. Motsepe brought something good here.
Yeah.
And then we are happy where we are now.
Yeah.
We are happy where we are.
Yes.
I hope the boys will try their best in the next game.
Yes.
It's a cup game. It's okay. Anybody can win that one.
Yes.
It's a team that always gives us problems, golden arrows.
Yes.
But I'm saying to you, man, the league is it's 3 games.
Yes.
So everybody got a chance. The only thing must do for it, 3 points in the first round.
Yeah.
And then January we to bonor league yakai.
Yes.
That's when we'll be calculating.
Yeah.
But the Sundowns that I know, you will tell about December after 15 games.
Yeah.
We must at least have 2 draws.
Yes.
Then we must have 13 wins.
Yeah.
Then we must count.
No lose.
No lose.
Yeah.
2 draws.
Yeah.
13 wins.
Yes.
So you must count the points because you know 15 wins give 45 points.
Yes.
So you only cut 4 points, we have 41 points.
Yeah.
So when I'm saying 2 draws.
Then they're close.
Yeah, then I'm close. I'm giving them 2 draws.
Yeah.
I want them to have 2 draws. Then
Yeah.
we'll be fine.
Yes.
That's all.
Yeah.
2 draws until December. 15 games.
Yes.
2 draws. Then I'm okay.
No. I agree, my brother.
Thank you, my brother.
No, thanks for your time.
Thanks.
Thanks for always showing up.
Hey, my brother.
Yeah, my brother.